What's up, Big Blue Nation? University of Kentucky, are you ready? Come on. Let's get up. Let's get busy. Let's strengthen this core. Yes. Yes. What's up, Big Blue Nation? What's up, University of Kentucky? Hi, I'm Willie James T. Hall III. Got a master's in wellness. And welcome back to the Martin Luther King virtual wellness workout series. You know what? Before I get started, I got a little treat for y'all. And y'all seeing me working out, got a little special treat for y'all. And this means a lot to me. I hold it very dear. It was an honor and a privilege to win this. So I want to show y'all something very dear to me. Again, I'm not bragging. It's not about that. I'm extremely humble. So I have two of them. This is my National Pro Championship belt. Right here. I get a little bit closer. There you go. And here I have another one. So these are my two National Pro Championships belts. One of the reasons why I'm the #1 drug-free bench presser in the state of Kentucky. Again, there might be some other people who can lift more than me. But when it comes to drug-free, being tested by Waddle, peed in the cup, drug-free, no illegal supplements in your body or PED, no one can bench more than me. 100% drug-free. Take that to the bank. That's the real deal. All right, let me sit these down right quick. So today we're going to focus on your core. Having a strong core will help, support your posture, give you a good posture, help support your lower back, help prevent injuries. Now, I'm gonna tell you some truth. You can sit there and do 1,000,000 sit-ups all you want. Do 1,000,000 sit-ups, but you're not gonna get no 6-pack or 8-pack. That's just the way. You cannot fat reduce. Combining core exercises with strength training and cardio and proper eating, then you can see a nice slim waistline. Again, it's going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight or in 30 days like you see in the commercials, right? That before and after picture, they lying to you. As they say, there's a sucker born every minute. Don't be a sucker. I'm just being honest with you. Telling you the truth. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm telling you the truth. Don't believe those commercials or pictures you see in magazines, or they got the stars or selling certain supplements to help you get a nice waistline. They lying to you. Don't believe that. It's going to take some work, but you can do it. Again, it's going to take some work, but you can do it. It's going to take some time. You got to commit to it. You know what I'm saying? You got to commit. Rome wasn't built in a day. So it's going to take some time, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You will get there. I have faith in you. You just got to commit to it. Every single day, commit. I'm going to make progress. And over a period of time, you'll see the results that you want. So again, we're going to focus on the core. It's going to be 7 different exercises. And again, it's going to be a circuit. I recommend to do 3 to 5 circuits. Rest only about 1 to 2 minutes in between the circuit. Either you can do it 2 days a week, like on Monday or Thursday, or you can do it 3 days out of the week. Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Again, take your time, focus on your form, and just with each different physical activity or exercise, keep your core tight, keep your body tight. Focus on form and control. Again, you don't need no fancy equipment, to help strengthen your core. Again, all the gyms are closed, unfortunately, but hey, let's get busy. You can get a strong core right here at your home. I'm right here in my trophy room. Also, I'll call it my fortress of solitude. Let's get busy. We can do it. First one, you're probably familiar with this one. You're gonna start with the plank. So I want you to give me 60 seconds. 60 seconds. If you can't get 60, that's fine. If you only get 30 or 40, hey, that's okay. Small victories lead to larger victories. You feeling me? Let's work up to 60. If you can get more than 60 seconds, hey, that's extra credit. That's extra credit. Extra credit. As I always tell my daughter, go for the extra credit. So let me demonstrate. Again, we're going to go for 60 seconds. I'm not going to do 60 seconds for time's sake. So let's get down. All right, keep your body nice and tight. Squeeze those abs. Tight, tight, tight. Squeeze it tight. 60 seconds. There you go. There you go. Next one is lateral rotation. Another great exercise for your core. Also, it works a little bit of your hip flexors too. But it really aims at your core. And you're going to give me 30. 15 on the left, 15 on the right. So let's do the lateral rotation. Again, take extra time so you can do good form. Good form is the key. All right, pull your knees up. Again, try to touch the floor if you can't. That's fine. That's okay. That's okay. Again, total of 30, 15 on each side. There you go. Yeah. Feeling that. Feeling that. Feeling that. I don't know about you. I'm feeling that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. There you go. So I'm going to do 15 on the left, 15 on the right for a total of 30. Next is the plank jacks. Hey, y'all familiar with that, right? Similar to a plank, but you clapping your legs. Like clapping your legs to activate more of your core muscles. Again, you're going to have to give me 30. Again, if you can't get 30, aim for 30. If you get more than 30, extra credit. Extra credit is always good. Extra credit. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only did 5, but I can do 30 for time's sake, all right? So you gotta give me 30. Next, we're gonna do something it's called like a jackknife or toe touches. Again, take your time, focus on form. This time, you'll give me at least 20. If you get more than 20, hey, go for 30. Again, take your time. Again, we're focusing on form. Take your time. So you're going to raise your hands and your legs at the same time and try to touch it in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! There you go. Hey, if you're doing this, you feel a little cramp in your abs, that's okay. Just stop for a couple seconds, and then get back at it. Don't quit on me. Don't be a quitter. Do not quit. All right, next, we're going to go to pointer. Yeah, another great core exercise. 15 on the left, 15 on the right. We're going to go for 30. You can do more than 30. What did I say? Extra credit. Let's go. Let's go. Again, take your time. Focus on form. Take your time. Take your time. You're in the room by yourself, so who you trying to impress? Who? So take your time. Take your time. Yeah, buddy. Up. There you go. Up. Knock some of stuff out. That's okay. Take care of it later. So 15 on the left, 15 on the right. Next, we're going to go to leg raises. Yeah, I'm going to do about 20. Get more than 20? Extra credit. Extra credit. All right. All right, here we go. So raise your legs up about 45 degrees. And don't let it touch. Squeeze the abs tight. Tight. Tight, yeah. Tight. Woo! All right. And the last one, we're going to do the side plank. Yeah, buddy. So you're going to work those obliques. So you're going to aim for at least 30 on the left and 30 on the right. So which side I want to start with? Let's start with this side, yeah. All right. Yeah. Come the fun part right here. So up. Arm up like that. Yeah. Yeah. If you don't feel that, Something wrong. Something wrong. All right, let's switch to the other side. Again, try to aim for 30 seconds. Here we go. Up. Yeah, buddy. Feel that. Woo. Feel that. Hold that arm up. Yeah, buddy. Aim for 30 seconds. Woo! So, before you start the circuit, make sure you warm up. So now, let's cool down a little. We done? All right. Give yourself a handshake. Give yourself a hand clap. We're done. So let's cool down with some stretch exercise. Woo! Woo! Again, remember, you can do 1,000,000 sit-ups. That's not going to give you no six-pack. You can't fat reduce. So don't believe that crap that you see on TV or magazines. It don't work that way. You gotta do core exercise, strength training, cardio, and eat right. Trust me on that. All right. Yeah. Hold about 20 seconds. Here's the other one. Yeah. Hold about 20 seconds. All right, let's reach in the middle. Feel good. Hold about 20 seconds. Start the next exercise. Stretch. Hold about 20 seconds. All right. Woo! Let's go to the other side. Hold about 20 seconds. Feel good, don't it? Feel good. Hold about 20 seconds, good stretch. All right. Great job. So let's review. Today's workout, again, is a type of calisthenic exercise where you don't need weight. You're using your own body weight for resistance. So the goal is to strengthen your core, and you're doing it in a circuit fashion. So once you finish one circuit, rest about 1 to 2 minutes, then do another circuit. So I recommend you do a total of 3 to 5 circuits. You can do it 2 days out of the week, on Monday and Thursday, or you can do 3 days out of the week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So the exercise was a plank, do about for 60 seconds, lateral rotation, do total of 30, 15 on the right, 15 on the left. Plank jacks, we do total of 30 of those. The jackknife, I do 20. Pointer, do a total of 30. Leg raises, do a total of 20. And side plank, do a total of 30 seconds on the left and 30 seconds on the right. Again, if you can get more, that's great. That's extra credit. I believe in extra credit. I loved it when my high school and my professors gave extra credit. Hey, I'll take it. So if you can do more, that's great. That's extra credit. It's not going to hurt you. It's just going to make you better. But just be patient. Again, it takes time to get a six-pack. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in 30 days, as they say in the commercial. It don't work that way. So don't believe that, especially when they got certain athletes or stars, advertising this supplement help you get a strong core, six-pack. No. Don't believe that. You're going to have to work at it. Just as say, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's going to take some time. But if you commit, that's the thing. You must commit to the workout, to the plan, to the routine, and you will see results. So just be patient. Take time. Don't get frustrated. Don't get frustrated. It's gonna take time. When I first started competing, I didn't bench 562. It took years to get up to 562. Drug free. It's gonna take some time. So strengthening your core, getting a nice slim waist, it's going to take some time. But don't quit. Be patient, and you will see the result. If you want it, if you see it, you can get it. That's the thing about it. Picture it. Picture how do you want your body to look? How do you want your body to look? If you want to see it change for the better, you can do it. That's what it's all about. Picture it. Picture your goal. Write it down. Picture your goal and write it down. All right? This is where I want to be 6 months from now. This is where I want to be a year from now. And stay focused on that goal. Work at it. Commit to it, and you will see the results that you want. That's what it's all about. Don't believe the lies or the hype, what you see on TV, what you see in the magazine, or what someone posts on Facebook, and they don't have no real training. Don't have no degree in wellness or something. They just post something, look like me, and they using steroids. Really? I'm drug free. That's the way to be. Again, I'm 100% drug free, and that's the way to be. So commit to it, and you will see the results. All right, I'm sorry, got a little bit hyped up, but it's okay. All right, Big Blue Nation, University of Kentucky students, let's do this, baby. Let's do this. All right, again, thank you, Martin Luther King Center for this great opportunity, and hopefully these exercises will make a difference in your life, and that's what it's about. All right, Big Blue Nation, Big Blue Nation.